He watched his suit burn, walking away from his corporate job forever. Then his screen flashed. $1 million. He made a fortune by doing absolutely nothing. Now his new life begins. He set it and forgot it. Every month, automatic transfers slipped into low-cost index funds. While the world screamed panic, he tuned out the noise. In the quiet, his wealth grew silently. He chose a cramped studio over a penthouse. No fancy cars, no designer clothes. Every single dollar saved went straight into index funds. Why? To buy back his freedom and retire decades ahead of schedule. Slowly, the numbers began to shift. Years rolled by and compound interest quietly did its magic. Then, the tipping point hit. Suddenly, his investments generated more cash than he spent. He was finally, truly free. No alarm, no panic. While the rest of the world scrambled in a desperate, chaotic rush to their desks, I just sat there. Warm sand under my feet, sipping coffee, watching the madness from afar. Look at this. Sand beneath my feet, ocean breeze, and a screen. Most people think escaping the grind requires magic. It doesn't, it just takes one simple formula. And I'm giving it to you right now. Look at this screen. It is not complex math. High savings rate plus index funds equals early retirement. That is the entire formula. Do this, and you buy your freedom decades ahead of schedule. He taps the screen, setting it to automatic. The phone goes dark, but as he closes his eyes, the machine doesn't sleep. It works quietly in the shadows, building his empire dollar by dollar. Red screens flash, panic grips the trading floor, but he does not blink. While others sell in terror, his automated system quietly buys the dip. Smart money moves in silence. Panic ends, prices surge. While you relax on the beach, your automated portfolio quietly hits a new all-time high. The chaos is over and your money is working for you. This is how you win. While they watch the red screen bleed, sweating over every tick, you could be breathing mountain air. Let the algorithm do the heavy lifting. Your wealth grows while you find peace. Script right, no stickman. Text, years went by, I never looked at the accounts. Not once. Behind the scenes, compound interest did the heavy lifting, doubling the entire portfolio. Just like that, permanent freedom was locked in. He opened the screen one last time. There it was. The number he'd spent a decade chasing, flashing green, 30 years old and completely free. He shut the lid. The grind was officially over. He walked away, leaving everything behind. But the game isn't over. The screen glows in the twilight, waiting. A new setup, a new opportunity. Who will pick it up next? The stage is set for the next player. You sit there, staring at the screen, holding the formula in your hands. Will you keep trading your precious time for pennies, or will you start your automated path to freedom today? What is your choice?